In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an editorial calendar in Airtable. Start by opening Airtable on your desktop browser. If you're starting fresh, create a new base and name it something like Editorial Calendar. If you already have a content planning base, open that instead. This will be your command center for ideas, drafts, reviews, publishing, and promotion. Before building anything, map your content workflow so the base mirrors how your team actually works. Think through the stages: capturing content ideas, drafting and writing, review and approval, publishing schedules, and finally promotion and tracking. Having this laid out up front ensures your setup covers every step from concept to completion. Now create your core tables to match those stages. Add a content ideas table to store raw ideas with notes and priority. Create a content pieces table for active drafts, with fields for assigned authors and deadlines. Add an authors table to list team members responsible for content. Include an editorial reviews table to manage approvals and feedback. Finally, set up a publishing schedule table to track dates, channels, and status. Link these tables together so you can see which idea becomes a draft, who owns it, and when it ships. Define fields clearly so everything stays consistent. Use single-line text for titles or content types, and a single select field for status with options like idea, draft, review, scheduled, and published. Add collaborator fields to assign team members, date fields for deadlines and review dates, attachments for drafts or media, and long text for instructions or feedback. Formula fields can calculate progress or days until a deadline, which helps with reporting and automation. Create views that make day-to-day work easier. Set up an all-content view to see everything, plus focused views like drafts, pending review, and scheduled or published. A by author view helps each teammate quickly find their assignments. Quick note: you'll find a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can follow along and set this up step by step. Next, set up automations to save time. Notify authors when content is assigned, alert reviewers when a draft is ready, update status automatically after review or publishing, and send reminders for upcoming deadlines. Apply conditional logic with formulas to highlight overdue drafts, calculate time remaining until publishing, and flag items that need urgent attention. Test your calendar with sample content, authors, and dates. Confirm automations fire correctly. Views filter as expected, and formulas highlight what matters. Finally, maintain and optimize regularly. Review tables, views, automations, and formulas, and update categories, statuses, and schedules as your plan evolves. That's how you can build an editorial calendar in Airtable to plan, track, and manage your content efficiently. Thanks for watching.